Hi, welcome to the channel Learners of Maths. In this video, I'll try to explain the solution of this problem. But before starting, pause the video, try yourself, and of course do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button. We have to find out this fraction, and if this will be of an alpha, f over fc fraction have to be equal to 6 over 12. This means that if this will be b, this will be 2b from the concept of bisector. This is a bisector issue. And of course, we have to continue to draw this line. So this will be 90 degrees because this is 90 degrees. And now, if this will be A and A, we can say from the similarities of two triangles, the triangle EBC and FGC, we can see that this side FG will be equal to 2A over 3. It's not too hard for now. This is not the important part, so I'll skip this solution. You can find out from the similarities of two triangles, the FG side, it will be 2A over 3. So I'll continue. And now we can see that AD will be equal to 36 minus A squared, and BG will be equal to AD, so it will be also 36 minus A squared. I'll write down here. And we can find out from the Pythagorean theorem, this GC side, GC will be equal to 2 over 3 times 9b squared minus a squared. Yeah. And now we can find out the BG side. No, not BG, BC side. So BC side will be equal to the square root of from the triangle EBC. Using a Pythagorean theorem again, we can find out that it will be equal to 9b squared minus a squared. And we know that BG is equal to BC minus GC. And we can write down, we can plug these values instead of these letters or sides, we can say. BG side is the square root of 36 minus a squared will be equal to BC side, the square root of 9b squared minus a squared minus 2 over 3 times the square root of 9b squared minus a squared. So this square root of 36 minus a squared will be equal to 1 over 3 square root of 9b squared minus a squared. So we can find out now the sine alpha. And the important part is to know that this angle will be alpha because the adjacent angles are equal. So this will be alpha, and now we can find out sine alpha here. Let me write down in a different color. Sine alpha will be equal to here the square root of 36 minus a squared over 6. And now we know that if this side will be 2a over 3, the df side will be 2a minus this one, which means that this df side will be 4a over 3. And now we can find out the shaded area. We have sine alpha and two sides. Using the formula, as shaded will be equal to 1 over 2 times two sides, 4a times 3, and the side 12 times the sine alpha. The sine alpha we can see here. We can now plug this instead of sine alpha over 6. Here we can cancel 2, 6, and 12, and we can get the answer. The shaded area will be equal to 4a, the square root of 36 minus a squared over 3. And now we can find out the area of the trapezium. Let me find this. Area here S. Okay, S. I'll write down trapezium shortly. It will be the the midline. The midline is AD plus BC over 2. That means the square root of 36 minus A squared plus we have BC here. It's 1. The square root of 9B squared minus A squared over 2 times the height. The height AB is equal to 2A. Here we can cancel 2 and 2, and we can get that. Now with the important part is to plug instead of this 36 minus A squared in a square root this expression in order to cancel at the end. So 8 times instead of this we'll plug this one. So 1 over 3 plus 1 it will be 4 over 3. Yeah, 4 over 3 times this one. The square root of 9b squared minus a squared it will be. And now we can divide them. We have to find out the shaded area. The shaded area over the area of the trapezium. And it will be equal to this one. 4a the square root of 36. Oh, we can plug this one again instead of this 36 minus a squared. And now we can plug and get the answer. Let me first plug. It will be equal to 4 over 3 times a times 1 over 3 times the square root of 9b squared minus a squared. So 4 over 9 a times the square root of 9b squared minus a squared over this one. 4 over 3 times 8 times 9b squared minus a squared. And now we can cancel and get the answer 1 over not 2 but 3. Canceling this all stuff, we can get this answer. If you like the solution, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Of course, share this video with your friends, with your teacher, or anyone else, with 3 people at least. Thank you for your attention. See you soon in the next videos. Bye.